In Apple iPhones, before there was no option to record your calls. Now after iOS 18.1 software update, this call recording feature has came to Apple iPhone. So now if you want to record your calls in Apple iPhone, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to record your calls in Apple iPhone. For this, first thing is that your software should be up to date. At least it should be iOS 18.1 or later versions. Anyways, if your software is not up to date, what you need to do is go to settings. When you are going to settings, you can see one option, general. Click on general. When you are clicking on that, you can see software update. Click on software update. And here, if there is any software update, you can see that details. If there is any software update, click on update now and software will be updated. After that, if you want to call anyone, open phone app and after that call that person. For example, I'm calling this number. Now here you cannot see recording option, but if that person is attending call, above you can see one button like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see this call will be recorded. Important thing you should notice that there will be one announcement saying this call will be recorded. So the opposite person will know that you are recording their call. Anyways, now recording is started. Here you can see recording. In between, if you want to stop recording, you can click on this button and recording will be stopped. And if you are disconnecting this call, recording will be stopped automatically and it will be saved to notes. And one thing you should notice that it will not be saved to gallery. Actually, it will be saved to notes. Not even music application, it will be saved to notes. So if you want to access that recording, what you need to do is open Notes application. Here you can see Notes application. When you are opening that, you can see that call here. Now this is the latest call. When I am clicking on that, I can see this call details. If you want to hear that recording, just click on play and you can hear that call. And another important thing you should notice that this will not be saved to gallery. If you want to save, you need to save it separately. For that, just click on this call and when you are clicking on that, you can see these details. Here above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you are clicking on that, you can see save audio to files. Just click on this and after that click on save button. When you are clicking on that, it will be saved. And if you want to share this audio recording, click on these 3 dots and here you can see share audio option. And after that you can share this audio. And if we are opening files application, you can see that calls here. So this way you can easily record calls in Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.